Okay, I have a code over here using the online GDB, and I have already set this to Python 3. Okay, and this particular code over here, I will first run it so you will see what happened. Then I will explain it. Alright, so let me just run this first. So you say, oh, please enter student ID. So let's say, okay, whatever. Okay, so student ID and test mark. Okay, let's say test mark is 70, and assignment, let's say assignment is 90. And of course they say, oh, lim score, all right, this particular marks, all right. Okay, so what actually happens over here, this is the output, all right, is this whole section here is actually a function, all right, and this line is calling the function because function don't run by itself, right? It has to be activated. Okay, and inside here, how do I get the input? They come from this. Okay, so basically all right, I have a bunch of input, which is the prompt, and the data actually goes into this variable student ID, test mark, and assignment mark. All right, there's a calculation. Okay, and you will see that because most of the input are in strings, therefore I need to convert it into integer. That's what the integer function actually comes in, convert it into integer. All right, then go through the calculation by their weightage, which is 80% and 20%, then output. Okay, then basically I output. Okay, so the output by using the print. Okay, so over here, right, is a very standard input, right, process, which is calculation, right, and output, right, using a function. The only difference is this function does not receive any parameters, and the function does not return any data. Right, so this is the area that we will continue to explore, right, because function can do a lot more things.